In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage forms in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll understand where to find the Forms tool, how to start building with ready-made templates or from scratch, and how to keep your forms organized by editing or removing the ones you no longer need. First, go to the HubSpot user guide area in your portal. Think of this as your central hub for tools and helpful guidance inside HubSpot. Once you're there, click on Forms. This brings you to the Forms workspace, where everything related to form creation and management lives. On the Forms page, you'll see options to create a new form as well as a list of any forms that already exist in your account. If you're building something new, you can choose from HubSpot's templates, which provide a quick starting point for common needs like contact requests, newsletter signups, or event registrations. Templates come with sensible default fields and layouts, so you can move fast while still following best practices. If you prefer full control, you can start from scratch and design the layout, pick the fields, and set the order that makes the most sense for your audience. As you plan your form, keep the goal top of mind. Short, clear forms usually convert better, so include only the fields you truly need. Give your form an internal name that's easy to recognize later, and keep labels simple and descriptive for visitors. Consider which fields should be required to maintain data quality, and make sure any consent or communication preferences are worded clearly to support privacy compliance in your region. Clean error messages and a logical field order can make a big difference in completion rates. After you've created forms, they'll appear in your forms list. This view helps you keep everything organized. You can quickly spot the forms you use most often, review when they were last updated, and see at a glance which ones might be out of date. If a form is no longer needed, you can remove it to keep your workspace tidy. If a form needs updates, like changing a field label, reordering questions, or refining validation, you can open it to make edits while preserving your existing setup. Before deleting anything, it's a good habit to confirm that it isn't still referenced on a page or campaign. That's it. Navigate to the user guide, click Forms, create with a template or from scratch, then manage your list by editing or removing forms as your needs evolve. Keep it clear, keep it concise, and your HubSpot forms will work harder for your team.